Good morning everyone, this is Danish here at Jumbo World and today we are checking out this bad boy. Whether you're a gamer or not, when it comes to the Alienware series, everyone knows what it's about. Gaming laptops have become immensely powerful nowadays and I'd love to check this one out, so let's unbox it. So the first thing you'll notice as soon as you open the box, and first of all, I give props to Dell for a really nice box, the laptop on the exterior, features on the side, and a very simple opening up mechanism, right? So here we've got the laptop itself. We'll come back to that in just a second, right? Inside we've got, what I'm guessing is going to be some booklets and details. Then you've also got a little note which gives you the history of the Alienware series, and it is a nice little story to read if you haven't already. And inside here are the power bricks. This Dell Alienware 15-inch encases Intel's 10th generation Core i7 processor with 6 cores, 12 threads, and a clock speed of up to 5 GHz. The laptop is also loaded with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and 1 TB of super fast SSD. As far as graphics are concerned, you've got the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 graphics powered with NVIDIA's Turing GPU structure to give you powerful AI-enhanced graphics and faster gaming performance. Engineered with Dell's latest thermal technology, the advanced Alienware Crypto Tech, this laptop offers improved airflow by channeling air to the system's most heat-prone areas. The Alienware's thin and light chassis compromises neither on performance nor on design. The Dell Alienware includes the complete gamut of connectivity options, including 3 3.1 USB ports, 1 USB-C port, an HDMI port, and whatnot. The display on the Dell Alienware 15-inch is a full HD one, and the laptop comes with Windows 10. If this laptop has piqued your excitement, it is available at Jumbo for dirhams 10,499. Now, there's a bunch of reasons why you should be considering getting this laptop from Jumbo. First is Jumbo's 4-hour delivery. You buy the device online and it can be delivered to you in under 4 hours. Second is Jumbo's curbside collect, where you can order it online, pick it up and let them know, and they'll drop it off to you in your car at the curb. Third is Jumbo Click and Collect. As you can imagine, you buy it online and collect it in store. Last but not least is Jumbo Salama. Jumbo Salama is Jumbo's extended warranty program, and for a laptop like this, you might want to check into it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on that like below. And until next time, thanks very much for watching.